Hello guys, let's install Docker on our Ubuntu VM. Okay, go to Google, type Docker install. You can see the documents of the Docker official page, install Docker engine. From there, we will select our distribution of our servers, Linux. Mine is Ubuntu. From here, we will scroll down to the last. These are the lines we need to follow. But before that, we need to have some prerequisites. We should have the curl installed on our PC. So I'll just install curl app install curl by doing it. It's now completed. Let's clear the screen and press the code. You can see we got the sh file. We simply just need to run the script. Sh docker get. That's it. Now it is executing all the commands we need. Docker is installed. Let's clear this out. Just run docker version. Actually, Docker is installed, so we'll just run some Ubuntu server dash because Ubuntu is not installed, so it is pulling from the repository. You can see we are at the container. You see ls context inside the container. Hope you learned something new. Bye. Take care.